everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to capture more in an image, how you're able to take a picture of the world from top down. So originally, let's say you're trying to take a picture of either the stairs, or maybe there's a mosaic in front of you, maybe there's a really tall building or some statue you're trying to get a picture of, and this is the most you can get. This is the furthest back that you can stand backwards, but this is also on your widest camera setting. Now, how you're able to go from here to here is one that you might not really think of right away, even though it's been there for so many years. Now, what we're talking about is panorama. So when you go inside of your camera, let's say that we move it right over into, let's say we went to photo. Well, this one right here is zooming in. So this is your 3x zoom or maybe 2x zoom, depending on your phone. This is your regular 1x, and then this is your ultra wide lens. Now, if this does not cut it trying to take the picture that you're trying to get, move it over into more and then head over into panorama. Now, even just the name panorama just kind of sounds like going, left to right or right to left. And it even indicates you going left to right. But when you actually take your picture, when you move it up, it'll actually have a screen letting you know that you're able to go upwards. And then now you're able to take a shot that is something that you weren't really able to do from before, even with that wide shot. So this was just something I wanted to bring about because a lot of people, when they think of panorama, they're thinking of getting really long wide shots like this, getting a long mural or a big, painting on a wall or something. But what happens if you need to go vertical? Well, you're still able to do that here. And a lot of times I think a lot of people forget you're able to do that. So this is the image that they're able to, finish with, when really in all actuality with the panorama, you're able to go upwards and go capture the world from top bottom. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of